with Pakistan, along with restoring the trade across the LOC. So a commonality between both the manifestos, whether that of National Conference or the PDP, and that is a common promise being made by both of them. The PDP too making that promise of restoring trade across the line of control and perhaps re-establish relations with Pakistan. Let's also listen in to what Mehbooba Mufti has to say.
हम समझते हैं, हमारा मानना है जम्मू कश्मीर 370 का मामला नहीं है, सिर्फ जम्मू कश्मीर स्टेटहुड का मामला नहीं है, खाली जम्मू कश्मीर इलेक्शन का मामला नहीं, न सीट शेयरिंग का मामला है, उसको कितनी सीटें और मुझे कितनी सीटें। हमारे लिए जम्मू कश्मीर एक जिंदा मसला है, एक इंसानी मसला है, जिसको जैसे हमने पहले भी उसके लिए एक नक्शा दिया मुफ्ती साहब के वक्त में, बातचीत का, रिकंसिलिएशन का, यहाँ भी बाहर भी, मगर मैं कहती हूँ शुरुआत अपने घर से करनी चाहिए रिकंसिलिएशन की, क्योंकि जो यहाँ लोगों के ऊपर दबाव है, दोष है, उसको खत्म किया जाना चाहिए। तो इसलिए हमारा जो आज का ये मैनिफेस्टो है, उसमें रिकंसिलिएशन डायलॉग के साथ साथ जो LOC पे हमारा जो ट्रेड है, ट्रैवल है, उसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं।
Right, Ishan Wani is bringing us those breaking inputs. Ishan joins me on the phone line. Ishan, clearly Mehbooba Mufti has negated their stance on the revocation of abrogation of Article 370, not to forget other issues that are being discussed as far as those other promises that were made by National Conference is concerned, but they're very firm on re-establishing relations with Pakistan.
Well, absolutely right. This has been a primary stand of PDP, and ever since its existence, ever since its formation, from the Mufti side to Mehbooba Mufti, they have been striving and calling for dialogue between India and Pakistan. This is somewhere on the expected lines where they have talked about opening of, trade between India and Pakistan has been hampered after 2019 and even before that, when the drugs were recovered from certain trucks that came as part of the trade. But India is very clear on two things, that terror and talks cannot go together, and they have talked about it many a times. Now what the PDP is today saying, that 370 statehood and all are issues, but they don't stand as a primary issue. But they are the primary issues while they are advocating for opening of route with Pakistan, reopening of dialogue between India and Pakistan, and also emphasizing on what they say as a conflict resolution and confidence building measures and regional cooperation between the two countries. This is somewhere on expected lines, because PDP has been fundamentally advocating for all these things. So what we also know is that Mehbooba has today also dared both Congress and National Conference to basically adopt their manifesto, basically to emphasize on what they have said in their manifesto, and then if they do that, they are ready to actually give them all the seats and revoke their candidatures, all the candidates who have been fielded from their constituencies. Right. But the problem with that is that the principal stand of the Congress and the National Conference is not what is being read in this manifesto that the PDP has published. So that is why this cannot happen. But he has taken a dig at both the National Conference and the Congress, given the fact that they have again kept the PDP out of this coalition, out of this alliance that they have been able to form here. There have been talks within the PDP, but because of the fact that they believe that PDP would not be able to gain ground, they have kept them out, and this has hurt definitely the PDP. But yes, while daring them, she has also advocated for talks, dialogue, diplomatic relationship with India and Pakistan to increase opening of ancient Central Asian trade routes. This has been fundamentally what PDP has been formed, fundamental principles of the PDP, and this is somewhere reflective in their manifesto today as well.
All right. Many thanks to you, Ishan, for putting that entire story into perspective.